Welcome to Intelligere. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to process your bank statement efficiently. Step 1. Select your bank first. Choose your bank from the drop-down menu. If your bank is not listed, click the plus icon to add it. Step 2. Select file format next. Choose the format of your bank statement, such as CSV or PDF, from the drop-down. Step 3. Upload the file now. Click the Select File button to upload your bank statement. Then, press the Import button to proceed. Step 4. Detecting tables. Click on the Auto Detect Table button. This will identify all tables in the PDF. Ensure you select only the transaction table. Alternatively, you can manually select specific pages for transaction vouchers. Step 5. Preview and submit. Click the Preview button, choose the appropriate settings, and then click Submit. Your voucher entries will now appear on the left side of your screen. Step 6. Mapping ledgers. Click the Mapping Ledger button to assign transactions to the correct ledger. Select keywords from your bank statement narration and map them to the respective ledger. Step 7. Filtering voucher types. Intelligere provides 3 voucher types: payment, receipt, and Contra. You can filter transactions by selecting the specific voucher type. Step 8. Settling invoices with reference. Click on Against Reference to settle invoices with the voucher entry. You can even select multiple invoices within a single voucher. Step 9. Managing Suspense Ledger entries. For any remaining unmatched transactions, assign them to the Suspense Ledger by selecting it from the drop-down. Step 10. Sending to Tally. Once everything is mapped, click on Send to Tally to sync your entries directly into Tally for seamless accounting. Step 11. Viewing and downloading Summary Report. Finally, click on Show Summary to review your ledger summary report. If needed, download it for future reference. That's it. With Intelligere, you can automate and streamline your bank statement processing in just a few clicks. Try it today and simplify your accounting workflow. Now that you know how simple it is to process your bank statements with Intelligere, why wait? Log into your Intelligere account and follow the steps shown in this video. Upload your bank statement, map the ledgers, and generate your summary report, all in just a few clicks. Need help? Our friendly support team is just a message away. Call or email us using the details on screen. And don't forget to book your demo today. Future of Accounting, Intelligere.